Hello everyone, it's time for another spicy food challenge. This time we are doing the ghost pepper spicy chicken flavor. Dry black noodles. The noodles were black to begin with, and the sauce put on it was black too, so it makes it interesting. It's supposed to be spicy with ghost chili. There is a challenge that goes along with these, which is can or not challenge. So can you make it all the way through or not? This one has me a little bit anxious. Yes, you can either pour boiling water on them or microwave them. I chose to microwave them. And if you choose that way, they do go over a little bit for the 3-minute mark. So I'd say about 2.5 minutes, and then just let them sit outside for a little bit in the hot water to get the noodles nice and soft. Okay, here we go. They do have a good flavor. I can already taste the spice in them. These are going to be hot. This may be something I regret a little bit later. The only good thing is there's not as many of these to eat as there is of the packets. It's hot. It's hot like the heat you get from a jalapeno, but a lot worse. I do feel a stabbing pain in my tongue. My lips are on fire. Got 6 more bites and I'll be done, but I don't. It's gonna be tough. Oh God.
Yay. Are you dying?
It took 3 minutes and about 45 seconds to eat them. Yeah, the tongue feels like somewhere across between blistered and like someone's cutting it with a knife. The lips are numb now, so that's good. Sweating, eyes are watering, nose is running. Whew. I'm glad it wasn't the full size. Well, that's it for this challenge. Thank you, everyone, and keep it spicy.